Hello everyone. In previous lecture of computer network, we have discussed about principles of reliable data transfer using RDT 1.0 version and RDT 2.0 version. So in this lecture, we will discuss about the RDT protocol 2.1 version. So in that we have handles the acknowledgement and negative acknowledgement packet instead of the data protocols. So in previous protocol we are care about the packets if the packet is corrupted or not. So in this protocol we have care about if acknowledgement or negative acknowledgement corrupted or not. Instead of packet in sender side, we need to add sequence number to the packet. So it is either 0 or 1. First, let's see RDT 2.1 at a sender side. So it is enough and sufficient to add 0 and 1 sequence number in the packet. Sender also check the acknowledgement and negative acknowledgement packet with the sequence number. So if it is at the received, corrupted or not, so it can be twice as many state because if sender received the acknowledgement packet and properly, but not the receiver cannot know the packet acknowledgement packet is it is properly received or not at the sender or not a receiver. So receiver doesn't know about the whether the acknowledgement received at sending side is properly or not. So the receiver doesn't know about the acknowledgement packet. It is properly received at the sender side. So it solves this problem. We need to add sequence number with that packet. So at the receiving side, receiver must check if the received packet is duplicate or not. If so, then it's sent to the acknowledgement and say state indicate here whether it is 0 or 1. So it accepted packet sequence number. So receiver doesn't know if the last acknowledgement or negative acknowledgement received. Okay, it is. So at the sender side or not, let's see how RDT 2.1 works. So in this FSM, first let's understand first sender side. So in this event means the data received from the above layer and create a packet with the data checksum. That field value now in this protocol we have a add one extra field like 0 and which is the sequence number and then that packet to the below layer using this function udt send. And now in this state it wait for the acknowledgement and negative acknowledgement for receiving side. Suppose the receiving packet is received correctly at the receiving side, so the packet is not corrupted and acknowledgement is correct. It is in the received. So it is received and it is work in the proper positive acknowledgement. Then here no action to be taken. So state will be changed from new to now. So now in the case, the acknowledgement packet is corrupted packet and received properly. So but acknowledgement packet is corrupted and negative acknowledgement, then it transmit to the last packet. And to the receiver, now in this state, if it is received the packet and received the data from the above layer, now creating a packet with the data and its checksum value. So now we need to add sequence number 1 in transmission case, then it send to the same packet to the below underlying channel. And here for the sequence number is 1 and it wait for the acknowledgement and negative acknowledgement. But in the packet case, the packet is received and it is not corrupted and it proper each acknowledgement, then no action be taken here. So and state to be changed in the initial stage. Now, in case of the packet receiver side, so in the case of the packet is received or acknowledgement packet is corrupted or negative acknowledgement, then it retransmits the request occur. So last packet sent to the receiver. So new in the receiving side, initial stage it wait for the protocol, and from below layer packet is received and it is not corrupted and has a proper sequence number with 0. So with the packet and then extract the data from that packet and deliver the data using the deliver data function to the upper layer and create the packet acknowledgement with checksum value. See over here first. So here we add checksum field to acknowledgement instead of the packet for the recover error and send to the packet to the sender. So it receiving side in case of the packet is received. So in case of the packet received, so it is the corrupted and that is the negative acknowledgement is created with the checksum value and sent to the packet to the sender. So now in case of the packet received, it is received packet is work at the properly or not corrupted and the proper sequence number in the 0 and retransmission case. Then the only acknowledgement with checksum field value. So creating a packet and send it to the sender, but in case the packet received and it is not corrupted and having the sequence number like 1. So instead of the 0, then it again extract the data from the packet and deliver the data to the above layer using the deliver data function. And here create a packet with acknowledgement and checksum field value. So it sent that packet to the sender and see similarly over here, it is the mirror event, but difference is only there is a no sequence number. See that this is for the sequence number 0 and this is only for the sequence number 1. See similar event and action from sequence number 0 and this is for the sequence number 1. So using this protocol, we have to resolve the error in acknowledgement and in negative acknowledgement. Also control packet in sending and receiving transmission. Now, using this protocol, state must now reflect whether the packet is currently being sent thus by the sender or accepted by the receiver. Head sequence number in the form of the 0 or 1. Here protocol RDT 2.1 use both positive and negative acknowledgement from receiver to sender. So when an out of order packet is received and receiver send a packet in the positive acknowledgement for the packet is it has a received. But when the corrupted packet is received, so receiver send a negative acknowledgement. So this is the process of how the reliable data transfer or RDT 2.1 protocol work. So sender that receives the two acknowledgement here for the same packet, like receives the duplicate acknowledgement, and here must know that the receiver did not correctly receive the packet for the following packet that is being acknowledged in the twice. So this is the overall workflow of the RDT 2.1 protocol. Okay, thank you. In the next lecture, we will discuss about RDT protocol version 2.2 and 3.0.